look at that box. My God. This is very well packed. Very well packed. Oh my God, what did he say? Greetings from Gibellini foreign camera. Wow, we've got a calendar. Serial number 6. Probably serial number 6, I think. Wow. Wow, here is a calendar. For a limited edition calendar. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. It's a film bag. Film holder, sorry. Fidelity Elite film holder. Nice. Nice.
Wow.
Wow, look at this.
It's like an LV bag.
It's like an LV bag. That's what my wife says. Wow. Look
There's
at
a
this.
card, honey.
Look at this. Huh? Gibellini foreign camera. Beautiful. Oh my God. So I have a invoice, I think. Warranty. Okay, handmade cameras made for Paul Young. Beautiful. Okay, this is a warranty card. Beautiful. Okay, let's look at the camera proper. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Not too heavy. Probably 4 kg. Not too heavy. Look at the Tiffany color bellows. You see the Tiffany color bellow? So later I'll mount this on the tripod and show the camera proper. Okay, but beautiful. Yeah, Gibellini camera bag, the bag, beautiful. Alright, lens holder. I think I should have 2 of those. This is the it looks like a duck cloth. Gibellini for the camera duck cloth. Wow. Okay. Duck cloth material. Okay. Oh, yeah, this way. Beautiful.
A satisfied customer.
Look at this. Ooh. Hello? It works. Okay. I will mount this on the tripod and we shall have a look later. Okay? This is my 8x10 from Alejandro Gibellini. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice. It's not ready.